How to circle an image in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then first things first, what you need to do is go to another tab and then search for the image that you want to paste and circle. So once you find it, just tap on the image and then right click on it and then tap on copy image. Now once the image is copied, go back to your Google Docs and then now instead of directly pasting it, you'll need to do something else to circle it. You need to head over to insert and then go to drawing, go to new and then just right click again and then hit paste. Now you will see crop image option at the top right. I'll go to the drop down and choose shapes and then go to circle and then just adjust the shape according to your choice. And then once you're done, hit save and close at the top. And there you go, the image has been circled. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.